These are the freshly arrived vegetables, aren't they? இப்ப புதுசா கொண்டு வந்த காய்கறி தானே? இப்ப is now. புதுசா newly or freshly. கொண்டு வந்த brought. காய்கறி vegetable தானே? Isn't it? இப்ப புதுசா கொண்டு வந்த காய்கறி தானே? If you want, you can pause or slow down. It really makes you to understand easily what I say. இப்ப புதுசா கொண்டு வந்த காய்கறி தானே? These are tender ones, no? இதெல்லாம் இலசு தானே? இதெல்லாம் also means all of these ones. இதெல்லாம் இலசு தானே? Fresh ones, are they? Or tender ones, are not they? இதெல்லாம் இலசு தானே? Don't give the old ones. முத்தலா போடாதீங்க. முத்தலா போடாதீங்க. போடாதீங்க means just to put in your bag or to give. முத்தலா போடாதீங்க. Don't put the old ones. And muttal is just the opposite of fresh. Not tender means it's more leathery and a little dried, lacking moisture. That's what we say. Some of the vegetables, they are not very good when it is old, when they are old. So don't give the old ones. Muttala podadinga. How long can I keep it? எவ்வளோ நாளைக்கு வரும் means for how many days will it come? எவ்வளவு நாளைக்கு வச்சுக்கலாம்? Could it be kept? எவ்வளவு நாளைக்கு வரும் or எவ்வளவு நாளைக்கு வச்சுக்கலாம்? You could say எவ்வளவு நாளைக்கு வரும் or எவ்வளவு நாளைக்கு வச்சுக்கலாம். Don't give very ripened ones. ரொம்ப பழமா வேண்டாம். Or you can say ரொம்ப பழமா கொடுக்காதீங்க. Don't give the ripened ones. பழம் means fruit. பழமா means very ripened ones. ரொம்ப பழமா வேண்டாம். Or ரொம்ப பழமா கொடுக்காதீங்க. Alternatively, you can also say ரொம்ப பழுத்தது வேண்டாம். Means பழுத்தது, the one that has been ripened. That's a meaning. ரொம்ப பழுத்தது வேண்டாம். I don't want. I don't want very ripe ones. They won't get spoiled. So you're asking a question. They don't get spoiled. Veenaayidaadhille. Veenaayidaadhu means it won't get spoiled. Veenaayidaadhille. Illa is just a confirmation. To understand that, you can check my lesson number 80. But this is veenaayidaadhille. They won't get spoiled. No? That is the veenaayidaadhille. Give slightly raw ones. கொஞ்சம் காயவே போடுங்க. கொஞ்சம் means just. காயவே means the raw ones. போடுங்க. Please put the raw ones. So podungE, whenever a verb ends such as nge, as you know already, probably you have understood by now, it means respect. கொஞ்சம் காயவே போடுங்க. How much is it for a kilo? இது kilo எப்படி வரும்? இது, this one, kilo, that is kilo. எப்படி வரும்? How will it come? So the literal translation will be eppadi varum. But the meaning here is, how is it going to be? A kilo of this will cost how much? How much is it for a kilo? இது kilo எப்படி வரும்? There are many ways to ask how much is it, and one of the ways is what we already saw, and the other one is what do you ask for a kilo? So if you try to understand that in English, that's going to be a little odd, but I'm just made it into a literal translation. Idhu kilo enna sollureengE. Idhu kilo enna sollureengE. So idhu is a word, this one, which you can even omit. Kilo enna sollureengE. How much is it? How much do you say for a kilo? Idhu kilo enna sollureengE. Please reduce the price. Please reduce the price a bit. கொஞ்சம் koraChi sollunge. Konjo means just or please. koraChi, less. sollungE, please tell a lesser price. konjam korachi sollungE. You can also say please, that is konjam kammi pannunge. konjam kammi is again less, paNNungE, do the price a little less. konjam kammi pannunge. Tell me a reasonable rate. konjam paathu podungE. konjam paathu podungE. This is a very commonly used phrase. You'll see that in all the when people bargain. paathu podungE means paathu is to see, podungE is to put, but the meaning of the phrase is just come tell me a reasonable rate. konjam paathu podungE. You are asking a high price. Romba jastiya sollureengE. Romba jastiya means a lot. SollureengE, you are telling. Romba jastiya sollureengE. You are quoting an elephant's price. This is a very common phrase in Tamil. The literal meaning is you are quoting an elephant's prices. You are telling me a huge price, astronomical price, unimaginably high. That's the meaning. Yana vela sollureengE. Yana vela means the price of an elephant. SollureengE, you are telling. Yana vela sollureengE. Don't mix the new and old ones. பழசையும் புதுசையும் onnaa kalakkaadheenge. பழசையும் pudhusayo means the old ones and the new ones. onnaa together. kalakkaadheenge, don't mix. So you can also use this in a different context. You can say don't mix the old story with what's happening now. You mean that don't create new confusion. பழசையும் புதுசையும் onnaa kalakkaadheenge. Don't mix the new and old ones. Put them separately. தனி தனியா போடுங்க. தனி தனி means separately. போடுங்க, please put them separately. Okay, tell me how much in total. சரி, மொத்தம் எவ்வளோ சொல்லுங்க. சரி means okay. மொத்தம் means totally or the total cost. எவ்வளோ, how much. சொல்லுங்க, please tell. சரி, மொத்தம் எவ்வளோ சொல்லுங்க. Do you have change? sillarE irukkaa? Change is talking about the change for the coin, for the money. sillarE irukkaa? sillarE irukkaa. Do you have change? If not, it is okay. Just give something else for it. That's here it means if you don't have the balance money to give, that's fine. You can give something else for that money. இல்லனா பரவாயில்ல, அதுக்கு வேற ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் தந்துருங்க. இல்லனா otherwise, பரவாயில்ல, it is okay. அதுக்கு for that, வேற ஏதாவது something else, கொஞ்சம் தந்துடுங்க. Just give something else. இல்லனா பரவாயில்ல, அதுக்கு வேற ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் தந்துருங்க. இல்லனா பரவாயில்ல, அதுக்கு வேற ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் தந்துடுங்க.